homecoming? I'll be ready in 5. Good morning, Lewisburg. I'm Maddie Reynolds, and this is Patriot Vision for Monday, September 8th. Over the weekend, cross-country runners competed in the Tupelo Invitational. 6 runners finished in the top 20 for varsity boys and girls. Congratulations to Riley Blanchard, Jane Foster, London Terry, Lauren Wilson, Autry Foster, and Dylan Blanchard. Great job, guys. On Friday, our football team held their own but were unfortunately defeated by Olive Branch. Today, golfers head to Memphis National for a match. 9th grade and JV football travel to Lake Cormorant, and there's a senior parent meeting tonight in the cafe. 9th graders, listen up. Tomorrow is your pre-ACT test date. You need to stay in the cafe until 7:15, then report to C Hall. You'll put everything in a locker except a number 2 pencil, calculator, and a snack. Do not bring your phone, earbuds, or any technology into the test room. If you reserved a calculator, it will be waiting for you in the test room. If you did not reserve a calculator, you need to plan to bring one or plan to test without one. Students are expected to bring wooden number 2 pencils, no mechanical pencils. Good luck tomorrow. Patriot Vision will be right back.
Let's get it started in here.
And the bass keeps running, running, and 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 running, running, and.
Yo, excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm coming. Oh Lord, please. Oh, I'm training for the 5K, man. Come on. Hey, you. Will you race me? I'm training for the 5K, man. No, you gotta race me right now. You gotta prove. No, you have to prove it right now. Right now, race me. Come here, race me right here. Home race, Habitat, 5K. It's coming soon. I'm ready.
In case you didn't catch that, Home Run for Habitat 5K registration is now open. You can sign up by scanning the QR code in the PV slides. The race is on October 19th. The Student Council and its advisors are really focused on making homecoming prep a whole school effort. All current LHS students are welcome to help us on Sunday, September 14th, beginning at 1:30 p.m. We are asking everyone that attends contributes by bringing some type of decor. Please scan the QR code if interested. The form outlines some ideas of what you can bring. Today begins the sale of guest homecoming tickets. Tickets are sold before school and during Patriot time. Bring $30 in your completed forms to purchase your ticket. If you have late arrival, you can stop by B9 to purchase your ticket. Archery tryouts are on Wednesday, October 1st, right after school in the gym. Students who want to try out must complete the QR code form by Monday, September 29th, and have a current physical on file. You do not need your own bow to participate. For any questions, please see Coach May in room D7. And finally, the bowling team is holding an interest meeting next week on Wednesday, September 17th in B12 during Patriot time. Thanks for watching and have a marvelous Monday.